Hey guys, this is AS and today we're gonna microwave candy. Yay! So for this experiment you will need a box and some candy. Yay! So all you want to do is unwrap your candy. Awesome. So once the candies are unwrapped, they will look like this. And I just put another candy in case you know what. Let's send them to the microwave. Ooh. Okay, let's microwave them. I'll do it for 2 minutes now. Okay, so it has been around 30 seconds now and it's starting to smoke inside, like the candies are burning. Okay, let's get a glimpse. Okay guys, there's smoke. That smells disgusting. Okay, let's take this. What? 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 What is this? Hey guys, check this out. What is this? Whoa! Oh my god. Oh shit. What is this thing? Really? Okay guys, so I washed it and cleaned it up and this is what came out. So check this out. Oh. So guys, this is what candy does when it's in your mouth. So before eating candy, I think that you should think like 100 times, cause this thing is deadly. Peace out.